How to hide following list on Instagram from friends. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can hide following list on Instagram from friends. First of all, launch open the Instagram app. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now here, as you can see, there's no option to hide your following list from friends. But if you have to hide it, then there is a workaround. For that, you want to tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then scroll all the way down. Here you will find the option of help. Select that. Then tap on the option report a problem. Here tap on report problem. Now here you want to explain the reason why you want to hide following list on Instagram from friends. Then request the Instagram team to hide it. Once you have typed that, tap on the send option. Now Instagram support team will contact you from 24 to 48 hours and then help you fix that. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.